Oh, okay, you were scheduled pickup at another location.
I changed it because I decided I wasn't going to go to the airport. I try to stay as far away from that freaky place as possible.
Right.
Why isn't it not letting me sign in? Nope, there we go. Wants to make me a customer. How's your day going?
It's going pretty good.
It's a Monday.
It is a Monday.
There we go.
Okay, that's Microscopic. Good morning. Okay, take your time.
As of we do need to update payment as soon as possible. It looks like the card on file has declined, so we will just keep payment.
Yeah, I got your phone. You just handed it to me. Give me 1 second to get you checked in, okay?
And what was your name?
My name is Tanisha.
Okay, I'll make sure to I lose things all the time. I lost my birth certificate and my driver's license.
Girl, if my head wasn't attached to my body, if it wasn't attached, you know what I'm saying?
It takes about a month to get your birth certificate and driver's license in the mail. It's like I couldn't work until then.
Oh my.
I was born in Montana, so you know it's not one of the fast states.
Yellowstone. Were you born on Yellowstone?
Helena.
Helena, okay.
I'm nowhere. And they said it takes 3 to 6 days, so I'm not sure how long until I'll be back.
Right.
I'll take a seat.
Just one. Here you go. Let me get your information. Are you still at the 138?
I am, yeah.
Can I get an email address for you, McKenna?
Let me write it down. It has too many words in there.
No, I understand.
30 got 100 here, 40, single 60, that really trips me out. Like maybe an Instahot or something. And then you have all lighting, which there's probably not a lot on the lighting because it's all, especially this was LED now, right? But still, this scares me, you know?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Just had a birthday less than a month ago. Happy
I did, yeah.
25 never looked so good.
Until 2 days later and someone backed into me. Usually my accidents happen in January. For some reason it's February this time.
Mr. H. Michigan at Gmail.
Yep. It's my initials.
Did you go to Michigan, the school?
No, I'm supposed to be moving there.
Oh, okay. Great Lakes State. Got a lot of lakes.
Yeah, I've been there before.
Hi, welcome in.
I called in regards to car switching out.
Okay. I'm gonna get someone else to help you. I'm still helping her. Okay. Miss McKenna, can I get a secondary phone number for you for your family member and name?